This is a Vienna regulator wall clock I've been sent to be restored. It's got quite a few things wrong with it. The gut line broke, so the weight hit the base and smashed through that. It's been glued together quite badly. Finials are wrong, crown's not right, but it might be salvageable. Lots of messy bits. It's quite sticky. I don't know what's on it, but it just needs taking to bits and sorting out. So you can see the damage to the base where the weight's hit the bottom and broken it away. And someone's tried to glue it back, but they're out by about 1/4 inch there. This moulding should be flush with the top, so that's got to come off. All these carvings, they've been broken up, filled with filler and wax. There's bits of gold paint on it to try and make it look a little bit better, but it hasn't really worked. So I've got to take all those off, see what's good and what's not, splice in new bits, recarve, ebonize it, and I can glue it back on. But whilst these are off, I can clean up the walnut, which is a nice colour. There's nothing wrong with that, it just needs a bit of a clean. But it'll be easier when all this carving's off and out of the way. So they're not actually carved out of wood, they're made from compo, I think, the same stuff that they use for picture frames that are gilded. A lot of things like the eagles were made like that, but occasionally some of the decoration was done in carved wood, not very often. Be able to glue that piece back in. A lot of these are not very flat, so I'm just going to heat them up on an iron just to get them to flatten out, because it softens it a little bit. I'm just going to hold them down flat while they cool down. So those two pieces are repaired. That bit there didn't hold on with the car body filler, so I actually put a little wooden pin in and glued it on with a bit of araldite. So they're okay, they're done. That one, I've rebuilt that with car body filler and recarved it. So once that's ebonised, that'll look fine. That's the other one. That goes on there. I won't glue that on because it'll just snap off because there's not much material there. Same with this bit here and that end. So I'll glue them on like that, and then I'll a bit of filler and touch them up afterwards. Now this centerpiece is the main problem. It's broken up into quite a few pieces and there's little bits missing. If I glued it together it just wouldn't hold, and these flowers here are missing in the middle and they're quite thin, so if I built that up with car body filler it's not tough enough to hold, it'd just crumble and fall to bits. That's wrong anyway. The only thing I think of doing is that on top of there and make those two stems come out the centre of it. So I can't salvage this, so what I'm going to do is copy it in wood and then when it's ebonised it'll look fine. This is the back piece, which is only about 3mm thick, and on top of that I'll glue on these in the right position, and then I'll be able to fret out the rest of the shape, and then it'll be ready for carving. I'm hoping that this centerpiece I can salvage. If I can chip away the rest of it around the edge and let it in here, it'll save me making one of those. These pieces can now be glued to the door, and I can use a bit of filler to fill the gaps where the joins are, and then I can touch them up afterwards. This piece, you can still see that it's wood, you can see the grain through the polish. I have sanded it down again and put more black polish on, but you can still see it's grainy. So I'll do that again, and maybe another time after that. So that will be glued on there. I'll leave it for a bit because the polish is a little bit soft, because I need to clamp it down. So I'll do that later. I might leave it about a week. And that'll be the door finished, just the rest of the case to do now.